And the stock in focus is GK Energy, where fantastic set of numbers are coming in. GK Energy also up almost 5% in the trade so far. The company has reported a 57.74% rise in standalone profit to rupees 58.83 crores on a 43.6% increase in revenue from operations to rupees 460.20 crores in Q3 FY26 as compared to Q3 FY25. But then let's deep dive and let's get connected with the management. We are joined by Mr. Gopal Kabra, CMD, GK Energy. Mr. Kabra, hi, good morning. Welcome to the show and congratulations for the fantastic set of numbers. Given the significant surge in Q3 revenue year on year, just want to understand how sustainable is the high rate of growth in the medium term and what specific drivers will ensure this trajectory continues in FY27.
Thank you for inviting, and would like to, very clearly say that the growth pattern what is seen, it is going to grow more better as our segment of the industry is growing very fantastic, as well as apart from the Kusum, PM Kusum, we have expanded ourselves into the solar rooftop business as well. So, and we have achieved the thousands of the system, just we began it now itself. So we are looking towards a very fantastic growth and we would be able to give the more better result. This should I can confirm right now.
Mr. Kabra, hi, this is Ankita also joining in. In the light of the budget announcement, government has increased its allocation towards the PM Kusum scheme. What kind of incremental benefits do you anticipate from this increased allocation?
With the increased allocation, few more new state will start the solar agri pumps, and it is a need of our which has been realized by the government of India. That's why they have given a good budget allocation, and we are expecting that your scheme announcement should be very soon, as well as the additional budget shall be released to the solar pump segment in by February or December, whenever the new allocation will be there.
Right. Mr. Kabra, earlier the company had indicated that EBITDA margins are expected to remain intact or improve positively for both FY26 and 27. What factors will ensure that this guidance is achieved?
See, we are being asset light. We are able to get the best price from the market. We are able to negotiate better way with the various supplier. So that is the basic thumb line why we are able to achieve the margin, and we will be keep improving the margin because our volume is growing up. So we are impaneling new vendor to our supply, and we are able to get the best price than the earlier. This is what the fundamental of the getting the good margin for GK Energy.
Right. Also, how does the current order book look like for you, and what is the expected revenue realization timeline?
Our current order book is 700 plus crore, and we are expecting to deliver the similar or better result for the Q4 as well. So we would be able to achieve almost 400 to 400 crore rupees business in the current quarter as well. 700 plus, I think 787 or 788 crore order I have already in pipeline.
All right, let's just talk about, you increasing capacity. The company aims to increase its current capacity of up to 10,000 pumps per month by 25% to 30%. Now, what is the current anticipated capacity utilization level over here?
Current anticipated capacity what we have utilized is around, you can consider 75 to 75% we have utilized. If we see towards in the last Q3, we have delivered 19,000 plus pump. That is almost 6,000 plus pump we have delivered a month. So with this, we have positively improving, and we want to improve our capacity to 10,000 pump a month in the coming financial year.
Right. Also, Mr. Kabra, talk to us. What would be your guidance? What would be your margin guidance going ahead?
We would try to improve, but this margin shall intact for the GK Energy.
Mr. Kabra, you're primarily engaged in providing engineering, procurement, and construction services for solar-powered agriculture water pump system. Just wanted to understand now in terms of a new product innovation, and your procurement on those lines. How far are you going, and what's the plan ahead for next quarters? What should be expected?
See, on the product line, as I've explained, we are going the solar rooftop. And in solar rooftop, we are going with the grid connected and we are going into the RTS system as well. And we are going to utilize the same product line. So it will give the innovation in terms of the EPC execution, I would say, because we are not manufacturing people. So EPC requires some innovation and that we have brought. That's why, being not having any manufacturing, backward integration, still we are able to deliver the good margin because that is what the innovation we have brought in the EPC segment, and that is going to replicate into the rooftop system as well. So you can assume that we will deliver the same kind of the margin for the rooftop as well.
Right. Finally, sir, you have installed 24,500 solar powered pump system in the first half of FY26, as compared to 16,251 solar power pump systems in the first half of FY27. That's a jump up of almost 50% growth over the previous year. By the second half of FY26, what can we expect? Where can the number stand?
In quarter two, current financial year, if we are talking about, we want to achieve 70,000 in totality of the palm. So right now, as you said, 25,000 we have already did. And the last quarter, we have already did 19,000. So remaining balance pump to achieve 65 to 70,000, we will make it sure that that number are getting delivered. Because already orders are in hand. We are not behind the seeking the order. So it's just subject of the execution timely.
That will be all. Thank you so much for connecting and speaking to us on the earnings. Thank you. Up next, an exclusive for